Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2005 to 2015 Tacoma. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Remove any fuel lines, brake lines, brackets, or other components from the work area. Remove the exhaust from the hanger near the work area. Step 3. Cut off the exhaust hanger on the passenger side if necessary. Step 4. Grind the work area free of rust and debris and apply weld-through primer. Step 5. Slide the front center frame section into place using the frame holes for alignment. Use a hammer to seat the section snug on the frame rail. C-clamp it in place and confirm alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the front center frame section in place. Then, fully weld all edges. Step 6. If the exhaust hanger was removed, install a replacement now. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, reinstall any removed lines or brackets, then reinstall the exhaust.